Today I plan to do a diptych on these two 10 by 30 inch canvases that I put together. And in the crack I put this rod, and I'll be pouring in the middle over this crack so that the paint flows over both sides. And I'll be doing a type of straight pour or ring pour using Dan Hodges mix. I haven't mixed up his recipe for about 4 years now, and it's a great recipe for ring pours if you don't want any cells and if you want sharply defined lines. His recipe calls for Elmer's glue wall. I didn't have any. I did have this that I bought a couple years ago in Michael's. It's Craft Smart white glue. I'm not sure if it's the same and if I'll have the same results, but that's what I had. And it also uses Minwax water-based polycrylic in the gloss finish. So what I do is I mix up 3 parts of the glue with 1 part water, or 75% glue and 25% water. And I use warm water when I mix the glue, otherwise I find I get tiny bubbles and lumps when I use glue. So I've had better results using warm water when I mix the glue. I'll put this recipe down below in the description box as well. So after mixing the glue, then you mix 3 parts Floetrol, or 12 ounces if you're making a quart, 3 parts of polycrylic, or 12 ounces, and then 8 ounces of the glue mixture, glue and water mixture. So it's really like 3 parts Floetrol, 3 parts Minwax, and 2 parts of the glue mix. And it makes for a smelly concoction because of the Minwax, but it is a bit on the thick side. It's not as thick as my cloud mixes, but it leaves a trace, as you can see. Try this color. This one's a little thinner. I think I'm going to put some more tube paint in here. This is Amsterdam Persian Rose, so I'm going to have to thicken this up to match. This one is Artist Loft Violet and Lumiere Grape mixed together. TLP Agapanthus, and I put a little bit of Artist Loft Light Violet in there. This is Golden Teal. See, it leaves a trace. This is Montmart Fluorescent Green, mixed with some Artist Loft Spring Green. So it's very, very bright. I'm going to have to thicken this one up as well. This one is TLP Unicorn. Let me just double check. Yes, TLP Unicorn. This is Liquitex Brilliant Blue and Fluorescent Blue mixed together. It's a little on the thin side compared to some of the others. So I'm going to have to adjust my consistencies before I start. So I made some adjustments to my consistencies, and for the fluorescent green I added a few dollops of Montmart's light green because it's thick. For the blue I added, this is the Liquitex blue, I added some Amsterdam Primary Cyan to it. And for the Golden Teal, which was too runny, I added some Amsterdam Turquoise Green. And for the Amsterdam Persian Rose, I just added some more of that to it, same color. I forgot I do have white. I plan to put some white to sandwich some white between every second color or so. And I should mention Dan Hodges has a Facebook group called Whimsical Science. So if you get a chance, check it out. So that's where I came across his recipe. All right, enjoy. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.